Okay, so here's the 2004 2.5-ton Lennox Elite Series air conditioner running. I just got this unit starting up a couple minutes ago. I just wanted to say, thank y'all for 255 subscribers. Today is my 6-month anniversary on YouTube. I started on December 10th, 2024. It is now June 10th, 2025. So yeah, exactly 6 months today. So I just wanted to thank you guys for all subscribers in that much time. So yeah. I'll see if I can get this unit signed down as well. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Blowing really hot air. For some reason, this little baby corner right here. It's blowing cooler air. This one has not ran yet today. I know I got a couple videos on these units already this year. The second startup of that one, and the first startup of this one. And I have 2 more videos coming, too. Just these 2 running at the same time yesterday. And most recently, all 3 of the central air conditioners running at the same time. So yeah. The thumbnail, I'm just going to say, has this one and that one in it. It does not show this one, but you guys won't care. But yeah, I said I would get a start and shut down of this unit soon, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. Right now it's running. I'll make a separate video if it's starting up, and then a separate video if it's starting down. Even though I did just, I don't know. But actually, I already got the startup. Yeah, I should say I already got the startup. I just need to wait for the shutdown. So yeah, there's the fan motor. 2.5 tons from the 14th week of 2004. Looking amazing. And yeah, that unit's running as well. But yeah, just thought I'd get a video of this unit starting up and running and shutting down. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.